from Miss Liberatore's class. It is a day 2, March 25th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Face the flag and begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may be seated.
Woo.
Lunch today is beef hot dog on a bun. There are no birthdays today. The weather today is cloudy, a high of 43 and a low of 34. Now for Mr. Spadoni.
Did you want to do the joke of the day?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Dom's got a joke for the day.
Not gonna.
Who's there? Oh, I get it. Alrighty, for our announcements today. Just a reminder, permission slips for next week's zoo trip are due Thursday. Speaking of things that are due, teachers, a reminder, have your lunch tallies in for that trip by Friday. This Friday, obviously. And my other couple announcements quick before I get to our One School One Book raffle and our Heart Ticket Tuesday. Is just a reminder, the reading challenge is still happening. You have until April 1st to get those books read and your summaries your summaries submitted. So get those done if you want to be a part of that party. And you saw my Success Maker bracket out there. Some classes have advanced. Some classes, sadly, their Cinderella story has come to an end. But that is okay. Because remember, we are looking at your total Success Maker minutes by the end of 4 weeks. So if you are out, you are still not out because you still have a chance to be that highest total Success Maker minutes. I am super impressed. We had many classes over 1,000 minutes in 1 week. Over 1,000 minutes in 1 week. One class had 1,400 minutes. Another class had 1,700 minutes. That is a lot. Dom's eyes just lit up on that one. So get that Success Maker done. And reminder, get your Lexia done. I was with some 5th graders yesterday afternoon, and they were whipping through Lexia. So let's get it done. All right. On to our One School, One Book. Don't need that paper. Alrighty. Our words of the day for March 25th is abrupt, which would mean to suddenly stop or something happens suddenly. That was very abrupt. I will abruptly move on to the next word. The next word is scurry, which means to run quickly. I hope no one is scurrying in the hallways, please. Dom scurried off of the announcements right here. And our question of the day. The students in the art room are preparing for an artist to judge their work. What do you think about making art a competition? Good question. And we have 10 raffle winners for One School and Book. Remember, there are teachers out there with raffle tickets, but you got to answer trivia questions about this book in order to win those. Winners, you will stop up at an appropriate time and see Mrs. Miller. I believe she would appreciate you guys at the end of the day, but I might be corrected. Alrighty, and make sure you write your name clearly. Our first one up is Calvin from Miss Likens' class. Woo! Jalen from Miss Coleman's class. Aaron from Mr. Penrose's class. Maeve from Mrs. Jones' class. Noor from Miss Boardman and Miss McDermott's class. Lola from Miss Spruill's class. Riley from Miss Kimber and Martello's class. Phoebe from Miss Chanick and Miss Fravel's class. Evelyn from Miss Lehman's class. And Daylani from Miss Chanick and Miss Fravel's class. So you 10 are going to find an appropriate time to go see Mrs. Miller. I believe it's the end of the day again, so at an appropriate time. And now, for our next thing up, our Heart Ticket winners for this Tuesday. Remember, if you are a prize bag or candy bag winner, you are stopping down at an appropriate time to the office. If you are a experience winner with Dr. Bello, myself, or Mr. Trice, we will come and find you and set up the time. I know I still owe some of you. Okay. Our 2 prize bag winners is Liani in Miss Chanick's class and Alexis in Miss Jones' class. Our candy bag winners are Ryan in Mr. Penrose's class. Let's go, Ryan. And Caden in Miss Lehman's class. Woo! And our time with Dr. Bello is Jamal from Miss McDermott and Miss Borman's class. And time with myself is Riley from Miss Jones' class. And our time with Mr. Trice is Mike from Mr. Penrose's class. Congratulations to you 7. Claim your prize at an appropriate time. Dom, get back in here. You want to finish that knock-knock joke now? Okay. All right. Remember, Dom, what do we tell them? Do good, be good, go LP, and Don't hide that LP pride.